Welcome back on another chilly night across Acadiana, and it's been nice and chilly since the last few days of November, but guess what? November 2024, warmest on record going back to 1893. So let's take a look at the numbers here. Red is above normal, blue is below normal, gray is near normal, and you can see most of the month above normal in spite of temperatures getting down into the 30s. As we rounded out the month of November, it was still the record month. If you added up the highs and lows, divide by 2, the mean temperature at 68.2, smashing the previous record of 67.0 set back in the Dust Bowl era of 1927. And usually when you break records, you're breaking them by tenths of an inch. This one, or tenths of a degree. This one was 1.2 degrees. And even looking at the overnight lows, well above normal. Then we trended a little bit closer to normal and then below normal as we rounded out the month. But in spite of getting some 30s in there, still way above normal. And it was a wet month too. If you add up the rain for the month, 6.63 inches of rain, but we could have had over 10 inches of rain if we got that October 31st in there, which would have made November a top 3 wettest November. It wound up ranking in the top 15 or so. So wet November, yes, but we've had wetter Novembers based on the calendar. So here's the big picture. Low pressure off to the north, south, and east of Hudson Bay in Canada. High pressure in Mexico. Dry west-northwesterly flow, and as you go farther to the north, that's producing snow as you go across the milder Great Lakes, and we have another disturbance coming out of Canada that will enhance the snow across the northeast sector. Still lake effect going on and snow showers as far south as the mountains of Tennessee and western North Carolina. Meanwhile, locally, generally fair skies, some high-level cirrus clouds to the south of us, but it should stay fair overnight tonight. And hopefully you got a view of the International Space Station that passed overhead at 6:36 this evening. Remember, I post this not only on air, but on my social media pages, so hopefully you got a chance to see that as well. It was a good look. High pressure moving in overnight tonight through tomorrow. Secondary ridge of high, so not quite as mild as we were today. 66 today. Tomorrow about 63. Another cool one tomorrow night. Then here comes the clouds and the change in the pattern with rain developing as an upper level, a series of upper disturbances move on through. So rain and storms most likely Wednesday night, ending early Thursday, and then drier air moves in. Here's the Euro showing the rain on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Then we have a couple of days of a break, and then as we head towards Sunday, Monday, maybe Tuesday of next week, it looks like another big soaking, and this one's going to have tropical moisture, so heavier rains and maybe a low-end severe weather threat, but that's still a week away. We have time to evaluate. Rainfall-wise, with the rain we get Wednesday night into Thursday, you can see it's going to be heaviest back to the west, maybe 1 to 2. Most of us catch a ½ inch, maybe to an inch. Some other spots a ¼ inch. Others will get locally more. Then you add the rain that we could get as we go deeper into the weekend and the following week, and then we're looking at a pretty big soaking. So we'll watch those trends as we work our way down the line. Overnight tonight, temperatures mid to upper 30s for the northern parishes, upper 30s for the I-10 corridor. Lafayette coming in now at 39 degrees, and will favor upper 30s along the coast. Then tomorrow, temperatures back into the upper 50s to lower 60s, so a few degrees cooler than today, and with a northeast breeze, it's going to feel a little bit more significant, so certainly jackets and sweaters will be required. 39 the overnight low tonight. Some patchy frost, especially in the northern portions of Acadiana, so protect those plants one more time. And then for tomorrow, 63 the projected high, with lots of sunshine and a breeze out of the northeast at about 10 to 15 during the course of the afternoon. Moving forward, rain chance 30% late Wednesday, 90% as we head into Wednesday night, ending early Thursday. Then our break, and then here comes more rain as we head into the Sunday, Monday time frame, and a changeable pattern where we have lows in the 30s and highs in the 70s in that 10-day forecast, and then lows in the 30s again. So the winter chill will be here and there, and in between some mild weather as well with the rain. That's it for weather for now. We'll have an update later on.